You're making this what they're making, huh?
Yeah, this one.
Like this, machete. Yeah, sell them to Mexico, to the cartel. And here, what is he doing? He's making the
iron is hitting the.
so first they make it hot and then they hit it. What is first? First is making hot.
Yeah, making hot.
And then bring it over here and then shaping it, huh? Oh.